How to get transcript of a YouTube video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through a quick step-by-step guide on how you can easily get a transcript of a YouTube video. First thing you want to do is head over to the web browser and go to youtube.com. Now you can simply go ahead and open any video you want. I already have a video open over here. Now, previously, you used to be able to get transcript if you clicked on the three dots over here, and you'd find the transcript option here. But after the recent update, what you can do is just scroll down all the way under the description. So firstly, your description should look something like this. Tap on this More option, and then scroll all the way to the bottom until you find transcript. Now, just go ahead and click on Show Transcript. It's going to give you the entire transcript. If it's auto-generated, it will show you here. If there are other languages available, it's there as well. And if the transcript is provided by the creator, it's going to be available here as well. Now, if you want to remove the timeline, you can just go ahead and deselect this and just turn this one off. Now, once you've done that, you can just copy your entire transcript, go to the timeline, and you'll be good to go. Now, in order to be able to copy this, go to Transcript. Now, if you want to remove this, just go to Chapters. You'll find these clips. I'll just go to Transcript and select the entire message. And you could just go ahead and copy this. Once you copy this, you can paste it anywhere you want. And before you copy, if you don't want these timestamp to come up, you could just click on the three dots, toggle the timestamp, and then you could just select the entire thing right to the bottom, and then click on Ctrl+C to copy. I'll just open Notepad quickly over here, and then you should be able to paste it wherever you want. I'll quickly paste it on my Notepad, so let me just open up a new tab and paste it here. And there you go. Now you have your entire transcript pasted on your Notepad. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.